this comes off, the seat comes up, and you pull this back to hook on the back wall.
That part I get.
It goes up and down.
So how does
The
it,
red button,
you just go, how do you do this?
pull out, let it lock, pull out, spring loaded.
I see, okay, so pull out to move it up and down.
Yep, low, medium, high.
Okay.
When you want to fold it, it makes sense to bring this forward, up, and closer.
Oh, how'd you do
to
that?
hook. All I did was, it could have been much lower.
Uh-huh.
Instead, I'm coming to the height.
I see, so you pull it out again.
Yep, high as it can be. The front one, stand it up, lower it down, or a convenient point. This has to grab right there. That's what keeps it from falling over.
What is the point of this strap?
That is the one that allows you to determine how far back your seat will lean or how forward it will be adjusted. Makes
So
sense?
if I wanted to lean back, I just, how do I do it?
Move it up away. Move it away. It's got teeth in here, so I gotta let the teeth ungrip. See that? So it naturally just pulls and locks, but to unlock you have to.
I see, okay.
Yes.
Got it. So that'd be the same here.
Same there, identical. I'm pulling this upwards, hook upwards, and now same thing here and here.
Okay.
So you saw how the pegs adjust.
Yeah, just,
So you squeeze, pinch, push back down.
yeah, got it.
If it was a very short individual, you can take these 4 knobs out and move it to these 2 holes.
Got
So
it.
this seat's gonna adjust to there.
Basically just take the knobs out. So this
And then move it.
shortest individual, if the guy's very tall, you move it.
Super tall man, move it to there. If
These
you're by
two?
yourself, yes. If you're by yourself, you come to here.
I see.
So this would have to be out of my way. Put the seat in here and then do it. So normally these are where you needed them
Yeah.
to be when you were sitting back.
But
there
if
that
I'm
far.
solo, I put this,
Put the seat to
Here,
the middle
but this
and
needs
put
to-
this out of the way to get the seat into there.
but then my leg rest, can I even reach?
Nope, no leg rest at all. You're you might kick into here, just use what you got. This is just temporarily solo.
Okay,
This
unlikely I'll use this solo.
It's not the best solo, but we can do it.
Okay, got it. You just won't have a seat pattern.
You want a set of pegs that are rigid.
Got it.
So
Okay,